What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Brown_Haitian.
Yeah, 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 oh yeah. I wanna know who you be calling, who you be texting, when you be all on your phone.
And today I'll be doing a mukbang, a leftover Thanksgiving mukbang or whatever. And today I have this, I don't want to spill the juice, you know, the good juice. But I got ham, dirty rice, collard greens, or greens, okra, tomato. It's like a gumbo thing. My auntie made something new, and then some dressing, turkey dressing. That's so good. Okay, and then I got me some water, and I put some hot sauce on it. The okra thing and the greens. But anyways, let me say my prayers, and we're gonna get started. God, thank you for letting me be here right now. Thank you for everything that you have done. Thank you for all the blessings you have given me. And God, bless over this food. Make sure it does something good for me and not do something bad to me. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Anyways, so let's eat. Well, let me eat, you know. I've been hungry. Hungry. I don't know if I'm going to eat all this. Because I got a little piece of ham here. Is all. And today I'm supposed to be doing a Q&A too, but nobody, answered to my poll that I put on my Instagram. So, but it was one person. They said, why did you start? What made you start YouTube? Oh yes. The reason why I started YouTube was because I just like wanted to create stuff that made people laugh or whatever, which I need to start doing some more, videos like that. And I just seen a lot of people and it made me want to do something like that, so that's why I did it.
Which one is it?
Anyway, yeah, that's why I wanted to start YouTube. But yeah, that's why I wanted to do YouTube, and that's the reason why, because I just like, to create them. Anyway, yeah, I just like creating my own stuff, and like, making people see it, and yeah. Anyway, I'm just do a story time since I didn't have much question. So, I don't know what story time I'm gonna do. I always interrupting myself. Um, I'm gonna tell a story time of, me and my ex-best friend. I know I did this last time, but it didn't work, so I'm gonna do it now. So, me and my best friend, ex-best friend, we're like very close friends ever since sixth grade. And so, I mean, we knew everything about each other. We didn't do everything together, but it's like when we went home, we didn't talk. But when we got together, it's like we never left each other, right? So, um, basically, it all happened in February. In February, that's me and my ex best friend, my ex best friend birthday month, cause mine is on the 13th, hers is on the 12th, and so we used to be best friends or whatever, and um she started acting weird in February or whatever. Okay, so we she was acting weird. I tried to ask her what was going on, and she wouldn't tell me. And so she just, was in her little mood. And then her and my other friends got into it. And they started not being friends no more. And so, you know, I was there for her and whatever. And so, I know this next part gonna be like, oh, you petty and da-da-da-da-da. It doesn't feel like I am. I wasn't trying to be petty, first of all. So one day, me and my other friend got together. Me and my other friend got together. I'm sorry. I keep on saying that and eating. But me and my other friend got together, and we were like in a class, and then we had found out that they were talking about us. Well, he was talking about us, and I couldn't believe it because I grew up with her. Like that was my go-to friend or whatever. So in my head, I was like, she lying or whatever. But turns out she was. So we I went up to her. I was like, "Have you been like talking to me?" But this is my first time finding out that she's been doing stuff like that. Then um, dang, what was? Uh, all right now. Um, oh, it was in fifth grade when she was first talking about me, and I asked her. She said no, no, but I didn't trust the other people anyway. So you know how that goes. So um um that happened, and then I was like, okay. She kept on coming no, but I trusted the other person than my best friend because me and the other person been like really close to my best friend, and she been getting mad. by the way. It was just amazing how you grow up with somebody and they talk about you behind your back. Right. And this all happened like last year. So, but you know, it didn't hurt everybody else like it hurt me because, like, we grew up together, you know? So I was like, why would you, why would you do something like that? And you know we've been friends like forever. So, I had to see that. But yeah, it was like sad. Cause you know, okay, let me stop. Anyways, yeah. And then recently, another thing happened. But y'all know how high school go. Oh, y'all should know. And if you like younger than me, you will know how high school goes. Cause I'm just a freshman. Everybody is, you know, stop being friends with their close friend. And I mean, high school is stressful. I thought it was gonna be like the movie, you know, them white people movie. Well, they go to school, have fun, you know, doing all these clubs and everything, you know, just amazing. Like, but no, it's horrible. Teachers stink. Well, I don't know what my teacher just stink. Ooh, you get on my nerves. My math teacher. I'm finna burp. Never mind. But yeah, no, horrible, horrible. And then like, I don't know, I don't know. Yeah. But you know, they had got into it just over a stupid reason. But I'm not gonna say because that's not my place. Cause I'm not finna be the shade room until everybody's business. I'm finna, if it ain't about just, But yeah. Oh, let me tell you about this. Oh, so I call my, I call myself dick like liking somebody before the person I'm like talking to now or whatever. Yeah, you know who you are. The person I just texted earlier. The person I just texted, I'm doing a YouTube video. It's not about you. It's the person before you. So, I had liked this person, calling myself I'm gonna be booed up or whatever. Turns out they were cheating. I said nigga again. Plus, she was a catfish. So, I feel like, well, not a catfish. She wasn't a catfish, I guess. I don't know. But I was talking to her. We would tell everything to each other and everything. We like spent time together and everything. I was just Like, why would you cheat on somebody? Look, I don't see somebody that's a cheater. Please let me know so I can find out what's going in y'all head. How do you keep up with this stuff? Like, how do you go to this person, that person, and then you know so much information about that person and that person, and then like, how does that stay in your brain and not get confused, and then you say something like, but yeah, anyway, yeah, like we spent time together and everything. It was just like, I thought it was a happy ever after, like, it was a happy ever after, but it wasn't. Oh, it's not loud.
Can I please? Can I be in the video?
Oh.
Why? Can I just say?
No, you already wait. Bye.
See my face up.
They don't need to. Bye. God. Or we'll knock them out. But anyway, and then she was like, "I really love you," and da da da. And I was like, "No, you don't, because apparently if you did, you would." Oh, there you go. Excuse me. If you did, you wouldn't have cheated on me or anything. So like, why would you say that you love me? You don't even. Apparently, you don't know what love is. So, case closed. Done with that. I was like, so case closed. Don't open it no more. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. And don't, you have to have real good trust if you're doing a like long distance thing. I heard you had to, cause you don't know what they doing. Like, they could be cheating with somebody, they could be sleeping, talking to somebody else. Just like my mama said, if she can't use your comb, don't bring her back home. So, you gotta do that. If she can't use your comb, or he, depends who you are, don't bring them home. Okay? Don't bring them home. But yeah, I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving and everything. And tell me how the lighting is. I can't really tell how it is. But and yeah, maybe I'm gonna do a sister tag and we can do something. Comment down below what you want to see next time. Cause I really am running out of ideas. I'm trying to do something unique that nobody else is doing. And yeah. I know somebody already did that. Well, no, I don't think nobody did a Thanksgiving leftover mukbang slash story time. Anyway, yeah. So, yes, that's what's happening, and that's my new saying now. Case closed. I don't think nobody said that before. But yeah, case closed. Oh, I should add that to my intro. Ooh, I don't know my outro. No, intro. I'm gonna add it to my intro. Okay. So every time I come on here, I'm be like, "Hey you guys, it's." Oh, goodness gracious. I'll be like, "Hey you guys, it's Brown Haitian, and if you ain't with me, then I don't know, that ain't gonna go together, but no, I can do it for my outro." Hey, outro. I be like, "We'll see y'all next time. Case closed." And then just hit the camera. Ooh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. Ooh, darn. Ooh. Oh, I'm working. Yeah. Oh, also let me know if y'all tried the cranberry Sprite. I heard it's good, but I'm not sure. Like, I'm about to taste it, but I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much all for you that. Oh, and comment down below what y'all listen to. Like, what artist is your favorite artist? Favorite artist. Mine right now is Trippy, Red, and Chance the Rap. All time favorite. For the boys. Girls, it would have to be. I don't really. I don't know. What's her name? Y'all know Trippy ex girlfriend name. Aaliyah called S. Aaliyah called F. I don't know. Anyways, y'all make sure. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, press it. And then hit that bell. Ding! The taco bell. That's the taco bell. Hit the taco bell. So you know when every time I drop a new video, okay? And then also make sure you follow me on Instagram at brown__ Haitian HAITIAN. Okay? And that's all for today's video. Make sure you share this with all your friends. If I can get to, well, I'm not gonna even do that because I already know it ain't gonna happen. So, anyways, what might happen if I can get to like, I don't know, long as it's some good, stuff. I'm gonna keep on making content no matter what happens. So it don't even matter. So if y'all can get this to 25 likes, 25, 70 even. We gonna shoot for 20, and then I'm gonna do another mukbang. And if y'all get to 70, then I'll do another funny video. So yeah, that's all for today. Anyways, see y'all later. Case closed.